My topic is Agile versus DevOps. First, we'll understand what is Agile. Agile is a way of developing software where it is making into some pieces, and instead of doing everything at once, so these small pieces are called, and we called it as a sprints, usually from 1 week to 2 weeks. At the end of every sprint, we'll work on software is delivered and it is reviewed, and we can take in customer feedback as well regularly, so changes can be added easily. Agile mainly focus on planning, coding, and the testing, not on development and not on infra also. Its main goal is to build the right product faster by adapting the changes. And next we'll understand what is DevOps. DevOps is not about tools or it's a or process. It is a culture that connects the development and operational team. Earlier, developer used to write the code and operational team deploy it, which causes delays and failures in applications. So DevOps removes that gap by using automation for the building and the testing and deploying and monitoring software. It ensures the software is deliverable and quickly and safely without any errors. And DevOps mainly focus on heavily on the deployment and in front the monitoring in production environment. And we'll understand what is the difference between the core differences between the Agile and DevOps. And Agile and DevOps solves many problems. Agile focus on how software is developed and planning and coding and testing in short cycles. And DevOps focus on software is developed and maintained after the development. When it comes to Agile, it mainly works within the development team, while DevOps involves both in development also and operation team also. And Agile ends with the code is ready, but DevOps continues until the application is running smoothly in production. This is the core differences between the Agile and DevOps. And we'll understand while Agile is alone is not enough, because we need DevOps as well. Agile is not at all enough for this continuous application. Well, Agile improves development speed, but it does not solve the deployment problems. And in many organizations, even after Agile development, releases were slow because development was manual. Deployment was manual, and there was issues like environment mismatch and some kind of server problems and the configuration errors as well. And this causes delay between the code and the live application. So the gap will be filled by using this DevOps. So it will automate the process and improve the delivery also, application delivery also. And we'll understand how Agile and DevOps works together. Agile and DevOps are not like an complementary, and how Agile team builds the features quickly based on the sprints. Once the code is ready, DevOps people will set up the CI/CD pipelines. So it will automatically build and test and deploy it using CI/CD pipelines. And automation ensures the consistency. It will reduce the errors and speed up the releases. So together, Agile ensures the faster development. When it comes to DevOps, it will ensures the faster delivery to the production. And we'll understand by using the real-time example. In real project, Agile team works in sprints to develop features. Once the code is completed, it will push to the repository. Development team will push the code to the repository. DevOps people set up the CI/CD. It will automatically run the tests and build the application, deploy it to the servers. And we can use monitoring tools like Grafana or Prometheus and or any Datadog tools to monitor the application. So it will continuously check the application health. If issues occurs, team get the alerts and they can fix it quickly. So this combination ensures the speed and the quality and stability in our application delivery. Thank you.